guys, it's Hannah here and thanks for coming to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick liquid lipstick review, like swatch, first impression on this liquid lip from Morphe. I've never tried a Morphe lip product. I've only used their brushes and their makeup palettes. So I actually received this when I went to one of their Morphe store openings. They included it in a bag because I spent a certain amount of money, so it was like a gift that they included. So I wanted to go ahead and try it on for you guys if you were interested in purchasing their liquid lipsticks, because it is at an affordable price. I have it right here on my phone. They range for $12, and let's see what it says. It says, with the velvety matte texture and colors that range from darling to dangerous, the Morphe liquid lipsticks are liquid lip lover's dream. It says the formula goes on smooth and dries down to an even finish that's completely comfortable and wears strong for hours with touch-ups. So for $12, if this can turn out to be a great liquid lipstick, I will take it, because liquid lipsticks are not cheap anymore, or they never were. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and make sure you click the notification bell button so you're notified on when I post a new video. So let's get into this. So I will be trying Morphe's liquid lipstick in the color Hollywood Nights. So it is a $12 liquid lipstick, and it is how much is in here? 17 ounce, which is pretty, you know, generic for a liquid lipstick. Now they did give me a lip liner with it. I'm not sure how much their lip liners are for. So I'm going to use their lip liner right here, which is in the color Wine Me. I'll make sure to link this down below so you guys can know how much their lip liners are. Again, like I said, I've never used any of Morphe's lip products, so this is my first time. So let's get into putting it on. So as you can tell, I kind of went in a little too much with this lip liner, but that is because it went on like a dream. It is so creamy and buttery as a lip liner, and it's so pigmented. I had a little fun with it. So let's go ahead and put this on the lips now. I don't know if this is gonna match my eye color. Is it? Let's hope it does, because I didn't take a picture yet of it. So let's go ahead and just open this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry and don't make cut on it. Okay, so I'm letting it dry. I notice it is a very like almost watery formula, which, you know, I've never really had that before, if that makes any sense. Watery. As you can tell, it did transfer on to my teeth earlier when I was putting it on. So I definitely think I need to let this liquid lipstick dry for a little longer than usual. It doesn't really say anything about it being quick drying, long lasting or anything. But the color is really pretty. I actually ended up liking this color more with the eyeshadow now that I tried it on. Otherwise I was a little worried it wouldn't look good with it. But it does look really pretty on that with the look. So with the description off of Morphe's website, all it says is that it dries down to an even finish that's completely comfortable and wears strong for hours without touch-ups. I am not too sure about how long it would wear for. It is still transferring off my teeth, but the color is pretty. It is an even coverage. I mean, that may also be with the fact I did put lip liner on, but it does look pretty pigmented, the liquid lipstick itself. It feels light on the lip, not too sticky, nothing really is there. But let me go ahead and do a kiss test and see how much it transfers. I have let it dry on for 2 minutes now, so let's see. So you know there is nothing on the back of my hand, so I'm gonna go ahead. So it does transfer on. Do I think this is a liquid lipstick that I'll probably pick up every day and wear this? No, probably not. Is it a lipstick that you can just wear for fun for like 1 or 2 hours? Sure. It doesn't seem very long lasting, especially with, you know, letting it dry for a while and it's still on the back of my hand. I feel like it's one of those lipsticks that after just eating or drinking a couple things end up looking like a butthole. I mean, it's not a bad liquid lipstick. For you're spending $12 on this when usually, you know, with the same size, I think the Huda Beauty is 17 ounces. That one's like 20 bucks. Still not bad. Would I actually go ahead and buy it from Morphe? Probably not. I think I'll just continue wearing this one just because I did get it in my bag for free, but I wouldn't go buy it from them. But alright guys, that's it for my Morphe liquid lipstick review. Do I like this liquid lipstick? It's I got it for free. I got it for spending a certain amount of money. That's great. I got to try it out and say that I've tried Morphe liquid lipsticks. Do I really recommend them? If you're an avid liquid lipstick user that wears your liquid lipsticks for long hours of periods of time, no, I don't recommend it. It is not that kind of liquid lipstick. Other than that, the color is pretty, the price is fine, and yeah, that's all I can say about it. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Comment down below if you've tried out Morphe's lip products, and if you liked any of them, let me know which ones. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week. And to find out when those new videos will be up, make sure you click the notification bell button so you're notified on those new videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah.